Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 8, today I am going to take your English first paper and our today's topic is assignment. Today we will discuss assignment number 1 which is given by the government. So let's start our class today. Look, your subject will be English and in the cover page you will write the subject English and then topic our today's topic is assignment number 1. So don't forget to mention the assignment number on the cover page, okay? And you will submit this assignment on 26 February, that means next Saturday, okay? Your submission date will be 26 February Saturday. So all of you will maintain this date. You will submit your assignment on the fixed date, okay? So let's start our class. And your first assignment was given from unit 2, food and nutrition. So now look in the first column, assignment with title, that means the title is given here. Now look, a recipe of any nutritious homemade food with the ingredients available at your home by answering the given questions in the guidelines. So now look, this is the title of your assignment, a recipe of nutritious homemade food, any nutritious homemade food, okay? A recipe of any nutritious homemade food. This one will be your title of the assignment. So you will write the title of this assignment and don't forget about it. Now look, learning outcome or content. So what you will learn after doing this assignment? Now look, students will be able to write answers to questions. So your skill will improve, that means you will be able to write the answer of the questions. And unit 2, food and nutrition, that means this assignment has come from unit 2. And this is the guidelines, in the third column, guidelines for writing assignment, steps or stages. To get a stronger immunity, it is important to eat nutritious food. We all know about it, right? So we need to eat nutritious food to keep our body fit and to keep our immune system stronger. So write a recipe of a nutritious homemade food that can be made with the ingredients available at your home. So dear students, you can take the help of lesson 4, okay? Lesson 4 of unit 2. So all of you will at first go through lesson 4 and in lesson 4 we have learned the recipe of custard, right? Fruit custard. So you can take the help of this recipe and on that recipe all the ingredients are available at our home. So you can take the help of unit 2 lesson 4, okay? You can take the help of this lesson, unit 2 lesson 4. At first, before doing your assignment, you will go through this lesson and then you will do your assignment. And now look, for this assignment you have to follow this keywords, that means follow this question. Now look, answer the following questions in your assignment. We need to find out those, find out the answer of those questions. And what are the questions? What is the name of the dish? So at first you will write the name of the dish and what are the ingredients that are required to prepare the dish. That means you will write the ingredients, okay? You will write the name of the ingredients. And now number C, write in detail about the process of preparing the dish. Then you will give the description, how to make the dish, or that means you, how you will make the food, or if you you will describe it very nicely. You can take the help of your book also. And what is the nutritive value of the dish you have prepared? So here you have to mention the nutritive value of the dish. That means nutritive value, that means you will write the percentage of carbohydrate or protein or minerals, vitamins, okay? So you will write the nutritive value of the dish also, okay? So you will follow this question, and in your assignment we need to write the in our assignment we need to write the answer of this question also. Okay, so by following those questions you will do your assignment, those 4 questions. That means in your assignment you will give the answer of those questions, and you will take the help of lesson 4 from unit 2. And there is some indicator, that means your rating scale which is called assignment criteria rubrics. Now look, there are 4 steps: relevance, word choice, organization, and accuracy, that means spelling, punctuations, and grammar. So you need to maintain the 4 steps, and if you maintain the 4 steps you will get 20 marks, and then we will convert it to 10 marks. Now look, if you want to get 5 marks, so what you need to do? The answers are well supported by detailed and relevant information. And your word choice. Now look, the student uses varied words. The choice of words is accurate and appropriate. And organization, student sequences information and ideas logically and cohesively. And accuracy, grammatically correct sentences with proper punctuation and spelling. So if you maintain these 4 criteria, you will get 20 out of 20. Okay, so now look, before doing this assignment you will go through this assignment criteria or rubrics. It will be helpful for you. Okay, so there's the marks distribution of your assignment. So dear students, your title will be a recipe of any nutritious homemade food. So don't forget to write the title, this is very important. Okay, and the assignment number also, and you all know that this is our first assignment, that means assignment number 1, and our subject will be English, and all of you will use A4 size paper to do your assignment, and you will draw margin. Okay, so dear students, all of you will can download the cover photo of your assignment, or you can also write it by your hand, with your hand. Okay, so you can you will submit your assignment, or you will on Saturday, that means on 26 February, and all of you will do your assignment carefully. Okay, attentively you will try to do your best. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will go through lesson 4 from unit 2, and if you have any problem or if you have any questions, you will ask it to your subject teacher, and phone numbers are given also with this assignment, so you can take the help of your teacher. So dear students, see you again. Allah Hafiz.